Good evening, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Sorry I missed a week of the show. I've been kind of freaking busy and also kind of running out of money. And have car issues like all of us do. My C-Class, my diesel, somewhere there's a intermittent leak on the intake. My boost pressure is low, very intermittently. But that's not why you guys are here. You guys are here for the SS, and let's get back into how far we are getting along. Oh, remember guys, this one is still for sale. Make an offer, guys. If I can get R500,000, I mean, that's, what's that, £25,000? It's nothing, guys. Come on, help me take this one off my hand so I can finish that other project a lot sooner. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, please, guys.
Okay, so we've got, out of 3 wiper motors, we've made one, and we've got that to work quite nicely. More clean up. That one is buggered. Now we've got to connect the mechanism up and see how the hell that works. We can actually probably mount that there already, you know, and see how that works. But now there's a shaft here that connects everything, hey? That shaft, yeah. So that goes, that shaft must go on there. Looks like somebody made that out of a hose pipe or something.
I think that's why it makes.
Yeah, but it needs to be a bit flexible. I might have to just use a piece of hose pipe or something, because otherwise the whole thing's going to move. It's skew. Anyway, there's already a little bit of... And have you figured out how this thing moves in and out?
Yeah.
Because this is supposed to move in and out so that the wiper goes away from the window or something, eh? You must grease that. Okay, so we've got the winder working. That's brilliant. Brilliant. We just need to get a bracket underneath there that's missing. Okay, we'll find that. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, that's mounted in there. But now, how does it move backwards and forwards?
It does move.
So with a lever, with that knob on it. There's a little screw in there. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Because then when that thing is in, we can put the dashboard in there. And we can tape all that up when you spray it again now. I'm not going to lose those screws. Oh, that's cool. No, I lost the screw. Okay, let me switch off something. Okay, so now the thing is pulled out, and then it doesn't turn in the front. So when the window is open, yeah, I'm going to pull this one out. That's actually very cool. Okay, and now it'll work because it's pushed in. So we just need to get the other knob. Right. Cool. Sweet, man, that's another job done. Brilliant. So we've got a petrol cap now. And yeah, we've actually managed to mount that. The fuel filler pipe's been put in. Now we need the floor, which we found, and we're going to restore that or try and make this fit. It might have come off another car. It's now become a workbench. And now of course we've got load shedding again. Lovely. And we've got the stays on nicely now. for the radiator. I'm just trying to pre-fit everything. There's the wiper motor, which is now working. So slowly we're getting everything together. Anyway, we'll be fitting everything, and then the whole car will be flattened, masked, and final coat. But it's actually looking quite cool. Gotta make sure that everything fits and lines up nicely. So it's taking a lot of time. That's unfortunately the only way we can do it, so that it's all going to be sweet. Yeah. We've got the seat in. We must still go to the upholsterer. The winder mechanism is in. And yeah, we're going to carry on. And then fitting up. Where's it? Fitting up the cowling. Don't you want some foam underneath there, guys? Some foam.
Are we gonna rub it again?
Yeah, I know we're going to rub it again, but still. Okay, cool. Let's see how that all comes together. Right, yeah. So we're getting everything to be fitted up properly, but we have to modify. That's why we're doing it like this now. For the bumper brackets. And everything is on, pre-fitted. Everything is tight. Mission and a half. But it's getting there, and then we'll mask everything and we'll spray it again. Because the fitting up, there's always issues that we might have damage. Anyway, yeah, there'll have to be some rubber bits hiding this over here. That is still a problem here. We're going to make something or find something. Daryl, there's a little crack here as well, hey? That's why we're doing all of this. Obviously that's the wrong beading, but we're just using it not to mess up the nice one. So, yeah, but everything is tight and fuss. And yeah, lining shit up. Now it's still, we might have to move this radiator back a little bit, elongate the holes at the bottom to sort that out. Anyway, all cool. There we go. It's looking sweet. It's looking sweet. Alright, let's push this thing inside. Gerald, are you the driver?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you be the driver now. Let's see, it's been standing all day. Let's see how it starts. Make sure it's out of gear. Check the brakes. It's gonna be cool. The nice of it had nice wire wheels on it now and painted and ish. Hey, Ian. So, ignition. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. We got the Gungelbutt driver here. Watch the brakes. Handbrake off, everything gear. There she goes. There she goes. Watch the brakes. Test. There we go. We good. We good. We good. Sounding cool. Wait. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Another day's work. Wow, wow, wow. To the right more. A bit to the right. To the right. Whoa. Okay, a little bit more forward. 10 centimeters more. 10 centimeters more. We're not quite in.
No, there is some.
That hoist is in the way.
No, but it can go further forward. We've got more space. Hang on. No, you can go. You can go a little bit more. You can go 10 centimeters more.
If you turn the wheel to the left.
You could go to the left, and you'll be fine. Yeah.
Maybe I must come back a little. Already try something there.
I think it's touching.
Let's see. Alright then. Yeah, okay, go out again. Lift, yeah. Sounding sweet, eh? Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay, come. Go, stop there. Put it into gear. Lekker. Okay, sweet. Yeah, so we're still busy fitting up. All new bolts in. Trying to get the body down. Bits and pieces to pre-fit. Bumper brackets, they must go for chroming. All must go for chroming. Realigning the doors, realigning the fenders, seeing that everything fits. Is it all better now, Gerald? Yeah. Have to fill a little bit down there. Still keeping busy. Fitted up those buggers. Still got to adjust this radiator some more, huh? Oh, it's starting to look like a car. And then we've got a crate ready. Crate's ready here. It's quite a bit wet in the rain. So we're going to pack the chrome bits in there, which is going to go to the chromers in Port Elizabeth. So yeah, there we go. Alright, so we've got to make a crate here. Well, we're actually using an existing crate, which has been up to the chromers in PE a couple of times already. Just to fit, have to modify a little bit to fit the radiator in. And then these are all the parts which we've documented, which need to get chromed. So yeah, quite a bit of a mission to build a stupid box so we can get everything in. Anyway, all part of the fun. So we had to modify the box to get the grill in. Think out the box to get something in the box. We're going to pack everything in here and get it ready. Cool. Cool. Is it strong enough? We've used the same box a couple of times to send things up to PE. So yeah. Lot of fun. Do we cover this kind of split there? Anyway. Packing everything in carefully. Bits and pieces. Maybe tape those things together or what? Now you can figure that out, eh? Just tape that all tape all those things together. You might have to make those new. I don't know. Just take some masking tape and tape it together like that. Yeah, you can figure it out from there. So, alright then.